Are you following a keto diet but not seeing the weight loss results you expected? You're not alone.
Keto Elevate, and it's essential for anyone serious about a ketogenic lifestyle. It targets stubborn fat to help you achieve your goals faster.
Keto Elevate helps provide your body with keto-friendly support that may assist in maintaining ketosis.
I love how easy Keto Elevate fits into my day.
Seriously, no complicated steps, and I feel fantastic. Cheers to that.
Just add it to your healthy keto plan and let it become part of your wellness journey. Keto Elevate may also help support energy levels, making it easier to stay active throughout the day.
Combined with proper nutrition and exercise, Keto Elevate can be a valuable addition to your routine.
This MCT formulation significantly increases ketone production, and it helps with the metabolic adjustment phase.
Keto Elevate is designed to help support your body as you work toward your fitness and weight management goals. Ready to learn more about Keto Elevate and discover how it can support your keto lifestyle?
Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to learn more about Keto Elevate and get started on your keto journey today.